Today, we open the doors to one of the most advanced pharmaceutical productions in the world. We will discover why Mounjaro was created, how it works inside the body, and why so many people confuse it with snake venom. This journey begins decades ago, when scientists saw millions struggling with diabetes and weight gain, searching for safer treatments. From that need, an idea began to take shape. Built not in nature, but inside a laboratory. Researchers noticed that the human body uses special messengers, called hormones, to control hunger, energy, and blood sugar. Two of the most important ones, GLP-1 and GIP, were not acting properly in many patients. That failure caused hunger spikes, sugar imbalances, and dangerous weight gain. Scientists wondered, what if we could recreate these signals using a synthetic molecule, stronger, cleaner, and more precise than the natural version? This led to years of experiments with peptides, tiny chains built with amino acids. Unlike rumors on the internet, none of these molecules came from animals, snakes, or venom. Everything is designed using chemistry and biotechnology. Machines built each segment of the molecule, connecting them with microscopic precision. Think of it as assembling a long necklace, bead by bead, until it becomes a powerful therapeutic tool. When the first prototypes were tested in laboratory cells, the results surprised the scientific community. The synthetic hormone activated receptors exactly like the natural hormones in the body, sending signals to reduce appetite, slow digestion, and help stabilize blood sugar. These reactions created a breakthrough, one molecule that could talk to two different biological systems, unlocking effects never seen before in a single medicine. As prototypes succeeded, the project moved into animal studies, carefully monitored with strict global standards. When safety was confirmed, scientists advanced to human trials. Thousands of volunteers participated, allowing researchers to measure every possible effect: weight change, glucose control, appetite response, comfort, dosage, and long-term results. The outcomes were so strong that the medication advanced faster than expected. Now the modern factory begins its role. Inside these enormous sterile rooms, robotic arms, sealed chambers, and high-pressure reactors mix purified ingredients. No step touches human hands. Computers measure temperature, pressure, purity, and molecular bonding, ensuring each batch stays identical. It takes days to assemble a single sequence, proving that creating Mounjaro is more like engineering than traditional medicine making. After production, the molecules undergo purification. Every impurity is removed, leaving only the exact synthetic peptide needed for treatment. Powerful filters, ultraviolet scanners, and chromatographic separation check every drop. The solution is then stabilized to survive inside the body without breaking down early. This stability is what allows weekly injections instead of daily doses, one of the biggest advantages for patients. Next comes the filling stage. Machines inject the purified formula into tiny cartridges, then seal them inside automatic pens designed to be easy for anyone to use. Vision systems inspect each pen, checking clarity, measurement accuracy, and any microscopic defect. Only after passing more than 100 tests does the device receive approval to be shipped worldwide. Precision and safety guide every step. When the pen reaches the patient's hands, the transformation begins. Inside the body, the molecule attaches to receptors that control appetite, digestion, and glucose. Hunger decreases. Insulin sensitivity improves. Sugar levels drop. Over weeks, weight begins to change. And although results vary, millions report life-changing improvements. All of this comes from a molecule built completely from scratch, never harvested, never extracted. Now that you've seen the entire journey from idea to lab to factory to patient, tell me in the comments, what surprised you the most? Would you use a medicine like this, or have you already tried it? Your experience can help others understand this complex treatment. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look inside pharmaceutical engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your interaction keeps new videos coming.